welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this really pretty pre-highlighted blonde wig unit, and I also think that it looks really nice on deeper skin tones. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this hair unboxing. So thank you guys over at Yolissa's Hair for sending me over this wig unit. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about the contents of the box. I got some 3D eyelashes, an elastic baby hair wrap, a satin baby hair wrap, an edge brush HD wig cap, and also a satin wig baggie to store your wigs, I guess, after you wear them. So I opened up this edge brush because I wanted to see if it was a good one, and Yolissa's Hair listened. I can appreciate a really good edge brush, and I'm glad that they have switched it up. You guys should definitely keep it because these are the ones that we want in our packaging. Thank you guys so much. But anyways, let's just go ahead and jump right into me unboxing this wig unit. You guys, I just want to show the inside of the wig cap for you guys up close and personal, because I don't really get to do that once the wig is on my head. So just pay attention to the color details, the highlights, where the highlights are placed, and also the inside of the wig cap. You get about 2 combs on the sides, and I think you get one on the back as well. And also I just want to say that the loops for the additional adjustable strap is actually really small, and it's really hard to place in and out. So I think they should make it a little bigger. But anyways, now to jump into the specs of this wig video. This is a P4613 blonde wig in a body wave texture, and of course it also comes pre-curled. This is also a 13x4 HD lace frontal, and it comes in 24 inches. So as you guys could see, this wig unit comes with a very beautiful hairline. So for my girls who do not like the baby hairs but want to try some color, I think this wig unit is for you. I just think that it comes with a very natural hairline. Some of these wig units still in 2024 can come with this blunt hairline, or it's just not a really good transition or blend when it comes to the hairline, and this one has a really good natural one. So again, if you guys are into the no baby hairs look and are wanting to try some color, this wig unit might be for you. So I am actually just going to go in and cut into my lace. I am using these very small scissors, which I don't know why, so it took me a little longer to cut my lace. But yeah, I took my time, you guys, and I think I did a really good job with the install. I am going to just basically melt my lace, and I'll come back after I do it. Okay, and we're back. So I'm using this Ruby Kisses cream foundation to tint my lace. Now, you guys already heard me say that I didn't care for this product, but I wanted to make it work, you guys. So what I did was start using the darker shade in this palette to tint my lace, and I like it way more than if I was to use the other shade or something that's closer to my actual skin tone. I don't know, I just think that it makes sense to use your contour shade around your lace instead of your face foundation. Now, if I wasn't to have on makeup, then I would use the lighter shade, but because I have on makeup and this is also around my contour area, I'm using the contour shade, the darker shade. So you guys should definitely try that out for your wigs. And yeah, anyways, so I'm using a new melting spray because I'm no longer using Eben. If you guys want to know why, go search Eben on TikTok. I don't really want to give any commentary to ignorance. But using a new melting spray, and it's by Kisses, and I will also like put that down below in my Amazon storefront. I have been using it for my recent hair videos, you guys, and I actually really do like it. And I do think that it smells like super glue. I really do. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it does have a very nice hold, you guys. So you guys should definitely check it out. And yeah, if you guys are wondering why all of a sudden I have on a black headband, it's because I bought a whole bunch of them on Amazon, and instead of using an elastic band to melt my lace, I now just put on my headbands. It's softer on my ears. I left it on for about 5 minutes as I was pulling out these curls, and boom, melted lace, like lace wear. Okay, really good lace, a very nice hairline, and my techniques will give you this very nice install. No baby hairs, of course. So as I'm brushing out my hair, make sure you guys are paying attention to the hair placement. This is definitely a true brown, you guys, and also the blonde is a white blonde. There is no yellow tint to me on this wig unit. So yeah, so this is a very matchy brown, so you are going to have to make yourself a part. Just take your foundation and run it through the part that was pretty much given for this wig unit. And yeah, so I decided to like lay low on the mousse for now when it comes to like molding my hair in that crown area, and I'm using oils instead. So this is BioSilk. I just feel like it makes the hair look softer than mousse. So just moving forward, that's just what I'm going to be using, you guys, to like mold my hair. And yeah, I think it looks really nice. And I'm just taking my hot comb to like get the hair flatter at the top. So now I know everybody is not into fluffy hair, so what you can do to like tame your hair is just run your hair oils through the ends. And I use BioSilk, of course, and it literally just let the hair like bounce back, literally. So this is what the hairline looks like, what the hair looks like with no baby hairs. I'm very proud of this wig install, you guys. It looks really clean. There's no residue. I just think it looks really good. So yeah, I'm also going to do my fluffy baby hairs as well for you guys. A quick like half up, half down style, and I think a flip over method as well. So that's pretty much all that I have for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and let it play out. I feel like I've talked enough. I would leave all of like the new products and stuff like that down in the description box, and I will link my Amazon storefront in my description box as well, and I'll try to link it in the comment section to make it easier for you guys. But everything will be linked there, you guys, and that's all that I have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think about the color on me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.